Hey guys, oh sorry. Okay, so today I'll be showing you on how to create like a good intro. So first off, if you look over to the right in toolbox and go link in the description for the model, you're gonna click on mine and let me delete the person that I just did. Now this is for like a horror game probably, or an arsenal game. If you look over to the right in good intro, ungroup this and then put main menu into here. Ooh, and also one thing, in lighting, add a blur effect, and then just call it blur and put the size to 0. So look, this is how it's gonna be. So the normal size will be 24. Make sure to put it to 0. Now once you've done that, you can start customizing this. So let's start customizing it because the fun's gonna be ruined. So oops. So don't edit it because in here there's already everything that's done for you. Simulator Part 2 will be coming out tomorrow. Sorry for all the wait, but it's just how it is. So let's just start making the play button. So I'm making a horror game, and we just have to make it like very horror. I'll probably use a decal. So yeah, I'll use a decal. I'm just showing how it's probably gonna look like. Okay, so let me show you how it's gonna look like. So as you can see, the camera part thing works and the start button works. I know it's out of order. These two don't work because I didn't script them yet. But if you press start, it will destroy everything, like the blur effect and all that stuff. So if you look over to the right and you press on main menu and you look over down to properties, make sure reset on spawn is off. So when you die, you don't have the same menu over and over. If you want it to be like Arsenal, like a weird way, then you could enable that. So it disables that. So once you've done that, you're gonna go and start making the thing. Now I'm gonna create the stuff later. So if you want to make a store button, add a local script, add another frame into here, and then let me just really quick size it like that, and then go to text. Oh, sorry. Call this shop frame. Add a text button into it. Just make like your normal one. All those tutorials I taught to do it. Text scaled. Text, and then put X here. Put text color white. Background color red. Font however you want. Probably like Gordam or something bold. Yeah, like that. Once you've done that, you're gonna call this close button. I mean, no matter what you want to call it. And then add a local script to it. I found a new way on how to script it. So do script.parent.parent, do it 2 times. And then the name of your button, close button, mouse button, click. So you know like which one you're doing it to. Script.parent.parent. Again that, and then shop frame that visible equals default. Alright, we scripted the close button. Which one is this for? Oh, shop button. Okay. Script.parent.parent. Store button. Mouse button. 1 click. Connect function. Script.parent. Oh, sorry. Script.parent.parent.parent. What's the thing called? Shop frame that visible equals to true. Okay, so we scripted this. Make sure to put this on visible, like always. And then background color. Let's make it look into a reddish color too, not like a pinkish color. Like kind of like a girly color. I don't know. Shop. Actually, I do not like the background color. Let's just make everything red. Oh. The font, I forgot. Put it semi-bold. And then if you want to make it even better, you're just going to do border. 5. And then same as the play button, border 5. Now we're going to do the credits button later, so we do not need it. So select everything, make it tiny. So here are the 2 buttons, and then play button, you don't need to script it, it's already scripted. Okay, so what you're going to do is close out of everything, play. So once you play, shot button will open, a star button still works. So you could move the camera wherever you want, but this is how you're going to do it. So if you click on it and you go all the way down, you have this surface option because I already did the surface thing. Make sure the front surface, that is right here, front surface is with this like Lego thingy. So make sure to leave it just like that. So like if you're trying to put the camera somewhere else and you're trying to rotate it, so like if you put it rotated, as you can see, I'm on the ground and I'm not looking at the thing. So if we just make it like this, we can ungroup the intro thingy. Actually, let's group it and then Control D. Actually, wait. Control D. Bring the thing like that. Make sure to anchor. Almost forgot to tell you. Okay. Once you've done that, you can just start customizing. So, I don't know, let's just add some like creepy monster into here. So let me go over my toolbox. Let's put a drooling zombie, why not? And then I'll also be showing you on how to make a custom character. So let's rename him to Space. Space doesn't show up in the game. And then these 2 stuff, let's group them and then call this intro. And then if we press start, the zombie is right there. Now you could turn the blur effect a little bit smaller. So if we go over to starter GUI, main GUI, and go to camera script, you could change this to 10 right here. Make sure you don't touch all of these or they will not work. But make sure if you want to change the blur effect, you can put it to 10. Yeah, in the right, just enlightening add a blur and just just call it blur. Don't even rename the name. So as you can see, if we just, yeah, you still can walk around. So yeah, let me show you how to make a starter character. So let's leave all this alone. Go to toolbox. I'm gonna get the soldier. So it's R6. So you're gonna delete the scripts, the anime saves, and the gun, like any kind of like thingy. Delete the animations, configuration, model scripts. Don't delete humanoid. Okay, put this into. Actually, before you do that, rename it to starter character, as you can see, and then put into starter player without anything. Without doing anything to it, and then as you can see, you start, and as you can see, you spawn with that character. Now it walks diagonal. It's not really your fault. It's just Roblox how they created the model. I'll just try to make an animate thing made by a different creator, not me. I just found out the model. This is another thing I created for the simulator. It's in my next video. So idle animation, link in the description for that. Put into starter character scripts. So if you go to plugins, you go to build rig and add a R15 block rig. And go back to plugins and then press on avatar animation and then press on a dummy. You can call this to idle animation. Once you've done that, you can just start animating him. But one thing, before you actually do that, so like if you animate him, so I'm going to make kind of like a trash animation because I am very bad at animating. Nope, his whole leg, not just his leg. Okay. Make sure to put it on loop so he loops, and then make sure to put it for 3 seconds. So his full animation. I don't know. The animation is gonna turn out weird, cause remember, I don't know. And then 6, you could just go. I'm just gonna go straight like this. Okay. So make sure. Oh, what the heck? No. Now the arm's gonna be like that. Okay, there we go. So now, if you look over to the bottom left, press on this like repeat button. As you can see, he's repeating it. Oh, right there. So that's how the animation is gonna look like. And then if you look over to the bottom left, press on these 3 dots. Press on export. Now you called it whatever you want, so you're just gonna save. I know I spelled animation wrong, so copy the ID of it. You could delete the dummy now. You could close out of the animation, and then go to start character scripts. Go to local script. Now in idle, change these numbers to the number you want. It's gonna move around, but it's fine. So now if we just play the game, as you can see, that's the idle, so it's gonna be like this. You can put it as the run. So yeah, that's how you do it. Link in the description for all of it, and yeah, peace out.